Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. Wow, looks like it's another big day for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin trading at 59,000, getting back up to that $60,000 mark. The crypto market looking very, very healthy this morning. If I put Bitcoin on the hourly, you can see that swing. Yesterday, we did see some bullish momentum for Bitcoin and then retraced a little bit. Now Bitcoin's continuing its way up, trying to get back to that all-time high of 61,700 approximately. The rest of the crypto market is looking fairly good as well. I've got Bitcoin here up 1.95%, Ethereum here up 4.45%, and Binance coin, wow, almost back at $300 per BNB. Market cap here over 1.8 trillion. And we've got Bitcoin dominance here slipping a little bit at 59%. We haven't looked at the Bitcoin dominance chart in a while. Let me just bring up Bitcoin dominance here, and it is on the hourly. I'll put it here on the daily just to show you guys. Okay, I got squiggles here from the last time I was on this chart. Ultimately basing in this region. Last time I was talking about this, it would have been several weeks ago. We were somewhere in this area, and the breakout needs to happen to the downside in order for us to see some real gains for altcoins. Basically, what this means is that altcoins will gain against Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin dominance should, in effect, shoot right back down. Now, this is what we've seen in bull runs in the past, right? In December of 2017, when altcoins took over, Bitcoin dominance shot down, and this was essentially the end of the bull run. So right around here, this was the end of the bull run 2017. The bear market took hold, and many of the alts then lost against Bitcoin, bringing everything back up, Bitcoin gaining strength, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market just kind of equalizing out. And so now we are seeing the same kind of pattern. We are seeing this basing. And we're looking for that drop, that big drop that would ultimately signify the big altcoin rally. If I bring up XRP here on the daily, we are seeing XRP, very healthy move for XRP as well. We can see this chart looking very, very good for XRP. Higher lows, higher highs. I think breaking past 60 cents is going to be a big psychological milestone for XRP. That would make it right up there. And from there, who knows where it could go. Of course, that 79.80 cent level, which is up here, is a real resistance level that we need to break. But if we can get over that, chances are we are going to that next target, $2 and 70 cents, 80 cents, depending on what chart you're looking at. We've talked about these price targets in former videos, and I'll link one up here if you guys didn't catch the most recent one I did, and I am going to be doing another one this afternoon, guys, so stay tuned. And so I wanted to take this opportunity also to mention that we are less than 775 subscribers away, guys. We need to reach 70,000. I'm giving away 2 Ledger Nanos. There's only 2 days left. Can we do it? Boy, we're cutting it close to the wire. So guys, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. You could win a Ledger Nano on April 1st if we reach 70,000 subscribers. Okay, but let's talk about the news right now. So lots going on right now in the crypto space, especially with Ripple. So this from BGARLINGHOUSE. Thrilled to finally announce this one, combining Tranglo's APAC footprint with RippleNet will create an even better experience for customers who can take advantage of both ODL and the line of credit. That's right, Ripple has now acquired a 40% stake in Asia's leading cross-border payment specialist, Tranglo. This will strengthen their ongoing partnership to expand RippleNet's on-demand liquidity in key markets, starting in Southeast Asia. So this tweet here, courtesy of TEHOLBEDDICTXRP, and he is pointing out here, Tranglo's network spans 100 plus countries, 2,500 mobile operators, 1,300 banks and wallets, and 130,000 cash pickup points. Queen Bee Capital, aka PayForex.net, clearly also runs on Ripple. Tranglo's Symptomless Mitsu, SBI, Mitsuho, Lian, Wire Barley, Air Wallets, etc. And so just some more information here with regards to that partnership. Queen Bee Capital, part of this, and you guys can see here some of these companies already partnered with Ripple, but this is really going to expand that net, cast it far wider for more business for RippleNet, more utilization ultimately for XRP, and so the big thing here that Brad Garlinghouse mentioned in the tweet is ODL and the line of credit products. So customers, the big clients, are going to want to take advantage of these services because when you're moving money, it's very costly. And, if you can utilize the line of credit service that Ripple is offering, source that XRP, borrow it from Ripple, and then conduct your cross-border transaction using ODL, they will be saving lots of money transaction to transaction. And this is ultimately what Ripple wants. They want them to keep coming back. And now that they're expanding into Southeast Asia, it sounds like this partnership's going to bring them a lot of business. So been looking for for a concrete connection between Ripple and EMQ. This makes it way easier. So this again from TEHOLBEDDIC, bringing up more screen grabs with some partnerships here. And we've heard of some of these companies, but these guys are directly related to Tranglo. And I have a feeling some of these companies were already Ripple partners, but now we're getting more confirmation here. Tranglo partners will also be, by association, Ripple partners. So great news here. Some great information brought to us by TEHOLBEDDICTXRP. Now check it out down here. ODL partner IDT partnered with Tranglo, and a million more. So the screen grabs just keep coming. Tranglo to power WeChat Pay's remittance in Hong Kong. So lots of partnerships with Tranglo. As Ripple had mentioned, they are a big player in the Asian market. And so again, by extension, these companies are going to be Ripple partners. Tranglo's parent company, TNG, is a major fintech player as well. So just some more information there. Guys, I will link this tweet in the description of this video if you want to read further. And we got this, guys, from Michael at Val5 Links here on Twitter, 40 cryptos. So this coming from Nuvei, which is a payment firm, and they are providing support for nearly 40 crypto assets, including lesser known coins from previous market cycles, such as Reddcoin, Steam, Bitcoin Gold, and Sia Coin. So e-commerce merchants can now transact in nearly 40 cryptocurrencies through global payment platform Nuvei. According to the announcement, merchants partnered with the payment provider can use an array of cryptocurrencies to send and receive payments across 200 countries, including top assets as well, guys. So including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then those more obscure cryptocurrencies that I mentioned. And they also state here, Nuvei's customers can even use Ripple's XRP despite the asset's recent legal woes and subsequent delistings from major exchanges. So these guys aren't shying away from Ripple's XRP. They are offering it on their exchange. And Nuvei is a Canadian company. Nuvei is an electric payment processing company. The Montreal-based company is Canada's largest private and non-bank payment processor. The company went public in September of 2020 with a $700 million initial public offering on the Toronto Stock Exchange. As of December 2020, the company is worth $7.6 billion. So you guys can see stock price there at about 71.08 Canadian on the TSE, which is the Toronto Stock Exchange. And Nuvei not shying away from supporting XRP, which is great news for the community and great news for XRP utility overall. So more news here, guys, from the Japanese consortium of banks. Sumitomo Mitsui Trust Bank has issued its first security token on Ripple-backed Securitize. So Securitize is a Ripple partner, and we know Sumitomo Mitsui Trust Bank, also part of that Japanese conglomerate of banks that are integrated with RippleNet. So they just announced that it issued their first security token using the Securitize platform. The issuance involved creating a trust company to manage the underlying securitized investments. Usually investors have ownership in the trust through a paper-based beneficiary certificate, but in this case, the certificate was converted into a blockchain-based security token, and the tokens were issued in a private placement. And again, I will leave this in the description of the video. I want to get through some of this because we do have a lot to go through today. This from XRP Crypto Wolf. XRP is now cross-chain compatible with Wanchain and Ethereum testnets, guys. So check this out. The Wanchain team is pleased to reveal the cross-chain bridges connecting Wanchain's testnet, Ethereum's Rinkeby testnet, and the XRP Ledger's testnet are live and operational. In other words, XRP can now move freely between these three networks in a truly decentralized way, thanks to Wanchain's Storm nodes. More importantly, XRP token holders are now poised to put their XRP to work and engage with the world's many DeFi applications. So boom, great news for XRP hodlers. They've uploaded a screen grab here so you guys can see the interface. Note under the hood XRP integration. The cross-chain enabled XRP tokens are collectively referred to as WanXRP, as required XRP tokens on Wanchain are referred to as WanXRP at Wanchain, and XRP tokens on Ethereum are referred to WanXRP at Ethereum. Cross-chain enabled XRP tokens are made possible by Wanchain's universal multi-chain bridges. Fundamental to this cross-chain mechanism is Wanchain's Storm group, consisting of 21 truly decentralized Storm nodes. And here's how it works, guys. When a user initiates a transaction to move their XRP tokens to a DeFi-friendly smart contract-compatible blockchain, Wanchain's Storm group transfers the relevant XRP tokens to a locked account on the XRP ledger. The Storm group then mints the corresponding tokens on either Ethereum, which is WanXRP at Ethereum, or for Wanchain, XRP at Wanchain. Swapping XRP between Ethereum and Wanchain is a simple affair built on the existing ERC 2020, and then it gets into the technicals. So more developments here for XRP hodlers. You can now leverage your XRP tokens and engage with the world's many DeFi applications as put here in this Wanchain blog. So guys, very interesting news. I'm getting excited. I'm seeing the utility continue to build, even though the SEC is dragging this through court. But there has been a new development here from just yesterday. XRP hodlers get the green light for motion to intervene in the SEC versus Ripple case. So this brought to us by MACKATTACKXRP. A federal judge has accepted token holders' claims that their interests are not being adequately represented in the SEC's ongoing lawsuit against Ripple Labs. So as you guys know, token holders who have sought the right to intervene in the ongoing case against Ripple Labs by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission have been given the green light by the district judge of the Court of the Southern District of New York. According to a letter filed by District Judge Anna Torres on March 29th, the proposed interveners have until April 19th to file their motion to intervene, with further deadlines up into mid-May, as it says here. I'm not going to continue with this article, although I will link it in the description, because John Deaton's new crypto law Twitter account is also giving us some more details about this. So breaking, SEC defeated in attempt to block XRP hodlers' motion to intervene. So Judge Torres has granted the request from John Deaton to submit motion to intervene on behalf of XRP hodlers and set submission timetable. And here are some details, guys. The proposed intervener's request to leave to file a motion to intervene is granted by April 19th, 2021, the proposed investors, XRP hodlers led by John Deaton, shall file their motion to intervene. By May 3rd, 2021, plaintiff, the SEC, shall file its opposition papers, and defendants, Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, and Chris Larson, shall file their response papers, if any. By May 17th, the proposed interveners, XRP hodlers, shall file their reply to the plaintiff, SEC, opposition papers, and defendants, Ripple, Brad, and Chris, response papers, if any, and plaintiff shall file a reply to defendants' response papers, if any. Note, the judge has not granted the motion, but she has rejected the SEC's arguments that XRP hodlers will be denied the opportunity to submit. So the judge is on our side, at least for this portion of this. 99.9 billion XRP saying, hero, I effing love you, Mr. John Deaton. John Deaton, you know, spreading the love too out there in the XRP community. I think we're all very happy that we have, that we at least have somebody to champion us during this difficult time. You know, these lawyers didn't have to step up for the XRP community, but they have, and I think you guys know who I'm talking about here. We are getting a lot of support, a lot of free support, and some very entertaining videos in some cases from some of these lawyers. So kudos to you guys. Thanks so much for your pro bono work for the XRP community. Even if it's just updating us every single day, I think it is great, and I think the XRP community really appreciates you guys as well. And along the legal theme with regards to cryptocurrencies, I also have to mention this tweet from Jeremy Hogan. Noticed that the SEC has filed another lawsuit against a cryptocurrency company, LBRY, I don't know how to pronounce that, LBRY Inc., and the LBC coin. Ripple wasn't the first and won't be the last, guys, so the whole industry is at risk, and this is why holding XRP is likely the best investment you could have today with regards even just from a legal standpoint. Okay, I mean, I guess other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, if we exclude those two, because XRP is in court currently, they are going to get the clarity sooner, and as Jeremy Hogan puts it, Ripple wasn't the first and won't be the last. The whole industry is at risk. So guys, despite what you think, despite what coins you hold, you are not safe. Your cryptocurrency investment is at risk, literally, unless you do hold Bitcoin and Ethereum at this moment in time. XRP, of course, is going through the motions as we speak. So just be careful, be mindful of what you guys hold. I wanted to read some of this, and some of this sounds very similar to what we're going through here with XRP. The case concerns LBRY's, or LBRY's, failure to register an offering of securities pursuant to the Securities Act of 1933. From 2016 through to present, LBRY offered and sold millions of dollars worth of unregistered securities to investors in the form of a digital asset called LBRY Credit, LBC, which LBRY told investors was to be used to fund its business and build its product, a digital content marketplace or network offering video and audio recordings, images, and other information. LBCs were offered and sold as investment contracts and therefore securities. LBRY offered and sold the LBC in exchange for US dollars, Bitcoin, and other considerations such as non-monetary monetary contributions to its enterprise. LBRY pooled the money it raised such that the successes or failures of the LBC holders were inextricably intertwined with other holders of LBC, the largest of whom was LBRY itself, and LBC holders reasonably would have expected a return on their investment based on the entrepreneurial or managerial efforts of LBRY. So beginning mid-2016, LBRY offered and sold LBC to the public in exchange for contribution designed to allow LBRY to build the LBRY network. And there's a few pages here, guys, if you want to continue reading this. Basically, it's sounding the exact same as the XRP lawsuit, focusing in on the fact that they were utilizing the coin, and this was dating back to 2016, as a securities offering to enhance specifically the LBRY network. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. If you guys are noticing that I am pronouncing it wrong, please do put it in the comments section, because I do like to pronounce things correctly, of course. I think that in a lot of these cases, and we're going to see more and more, as Jeremy Hogan points out, in a lot of these cases, I don't think these companies are going to succeed in the same way that we have a feeling Ripple is going to succeed, and I'll tell you why. It is very, very apparent that in a lot of these cases that these companies are utilizing their tokens as a security to build their own network out. But Ripple, XRP, two very separate entities. There's XRP and the XRPL. And on the other side, you have Ripple Labs that wants to focus on cross-border payments. Their clients are the banks. They are just leveraging XRP. They are utilizing the network in order to leverage XRP and to perform those transactions. But the XRPL stands alone. It was created technically by a different entity. Now, I know you could argue that, well, the same people that created XRP now work for Ripple. And yes, that is perhaps a legal loophole. I do not know. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not going to comment on how they're going to look at that part of this. But at the end of the day, you got to realize these are two very different things, a corporate entity and an XRP ledger, two very different things, cryptocurrency free to use for anybody who wants to build on the XRPL, and lots of evidence to point to that. Ripple, they're just a company. They were utilizing XRP perhaps more in a security-like fashion way back when. But today, I think it is very clear that XRP is not a security. It is a utility token. And so what's going to transpire with this case is the Ripple case going to set a huge precedent, an important precedent that will be the guide to regulate cryptocurrencies down the road. Remember, guys, no one is safe, as per Jeremy Hogan. And also remember how fast these cryptocurrencies can drop if a lawsuit is even mentioned by the SEC. I think XRP hodlers can speak to that firsthand. Even when I just bring up the LBC USD price chart up here, clearly yesterday this was announced, and this did decrease 42%. Just within a few hours, okay? Just within a few hours. The price of LBC did rebound back up, and now it's trading at about 20.5 cents, 0.207 to be exact, but it did go down as low as 15 cents, trading from 26 cents just yesterday, all within a matter of hours, guys, down 42.5%. So be wary. I know there are lots of altcoins out there. I know a lot of you guys have your favorites. Many of you guys are XRP hodlers, but just pay attention to what's going on. I think it's important to do that. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. 70,000 subscribers, guys. We are almost there, less than 1,000 away, and I know a lot of you guys who watch the channel don't subscribe, so subscribe now. You will be eligible to win a Ledger Nano S or X. I am giving 2 away to 2 people, but we have to hit 70,000. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.